Hey, what's up? Here are some of our most frequently asked questions about LAA's common law irrevocable ecclesiastical trust. So, y'all stick around and listen up. Okay, so you want to know if the trust has ever been looked over by an attorney? Yes. Thousands of times. In order for the trust to get a bank account, it has to run through the bank's legal department. Are you feeling me? All right, let's move on. How about an accountant? Another yes. The trust declaration was written by the founder of Liberty Aid Academy. John has a master's degree in accounting. He worked as an auditor for a long time, so the dude knows what he is talking about. The trust has been registered with the Secretary of State in many states as a business entity also, so are you still questioning if the trust is legal? Come on, think about it. Governments and attorneys think it is, so chill on that front. All right, so has the trust ever been challenged in court? No. Since 2012, there has been no reports of the trust being challenged in court. That says a lot right there. So you are wanting some proof from others? Okay, we got you. They have a lot of testimonials with signed and notarized affidavits by their students on their YouTube channel. And John, the founder, also shows his proof. He does not teach without first doing it himself. That is the only way to do it. So go check those out. Moving on. People also ask if this is like every other trust. No. Their trust has Christian benefits from the exemption codes created by the IRS. Whoop. And the trust is copyrighted through the U.S. Copyright Office. That is dope. But wait. What exemption codes? Trust is a nonprofit 501c3 with no reporting and no income taxes, and uses the IRS exemption codes of 508c1a and code 6033. Now that is what I'm talking about. This trust is fat and juicy, so if you are looking to set up a nonprofit, anyone can have one and should have one without any hassle. Their trust is what you are looking for. The setup is a quick and simple process, and they help you with every step. They look out for their own, man. Not only that, you will learn how to operate the trust, build credit, and remove debt. That's cool. There is more. Wait for it. You get lifetime support to the private student forum. This is for reals, dog. So what are you waiting for, brothers and sisters? This school is straight up fire. Check out them out at libertyaidacademy.org. You can also get more information in their free resources in the link below. God bless, much love, and stay cool. I'm out.